In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to uninstall DirectX 12 on Windows 11 and whether or not it is possible to do this. To answer this question and see if it is possible to uninstall DirectX 12 or if it is possible to downgrade from 12 to 11, 10 or 9, first what we can try to do is press Windows plus R and go into the DirectX diagnostic tool. So look for DXDiag. Just like so, short for diagnostic. When you click OK, you will be able to open this tool, DirectX Diagnostic Tool. In here is where you can check the DirectX version that you have. Now, I want to make it explicitly clear, as of today, it is not possible to uninstall DirectX 12 from Windows 11. DirectX 12 is standard and it is built into Windows 11. Any modern machine that you either buy pre-built or you build yourself with Windows 11 is going to have the latest version available of DirectX 12. So I want to make that explicitly clear. However, it is possible to manage your installation and make sure that it is compatible with all sorts of applications. So in this video, I'm going to tackle the question, maybe you want to downgrade because you want to run a specific game or application that requires older DirectX versions to run it. So for example, if you are trying to play an old game, it is going to require DirectX 10 or 9. It isn't going to accept DirectX 12. If that is the case, you don't have to worry, because as soon as you run any application or any game, it is going to use the required DirectX version and you don't have to worry. When you have DirectX 12 or just DirectX in general, you have all versions installed on your computer. So even though you can't see it here, you have all the versions available and it is backwards compatible. So the only requirements is that you visit the official Microsoft website and you download the DirectX setup, namely dxwebsetup.exe. By running the setup on your computer, you simply have to accept the agreement, click Next, and then proceed with the installation by clicking Next and Next and Next. Like I said multiple times, if you have DirectX 12, you already have all other versions of DirectX. So because of this, Microsoft does not give you the option to uninstall DirectX 12. It is built into your computer. However, applications and games that require the older versions are still able to access them. So if you are having DirectX troubles, usually it is associated with the game or application and not DirectX in itself. I hope I was able to clear up any questions that you had about uninstalling DirectX 12 on Windows 11. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.